All
right, next. Keep going.
I'll go.
There you go. Go team, go!
It is easier with that.
Oh yeah. I always pull them with the Uggy.
I was surprised how loose some of these were.
I saw that first one you did was that was a little scary. Oh, here, 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 and then that one we're gonna need a deep socket for. That one's on there. See? It's turned up to kill. Go try one of the other ones. I'll go get the cordless.
The batteries.
There's that?
Buy the Chinese ones from Amazon. They last longer and they're cheaper.
Really?
Yep. That's a Chinese one that's on it right now. It's all made in the same place with different sticker.
Yeah.
You're paying for a Milwaukee sticker.
Ooh, that's a big one.
I was like, wait a minute. Wait for it.
Got them all?
All right. There you go, Sherman. Speed of caveman over here, but it works.
It's very tantric.
No,
It's very tantric. It's very calming. You get in the rhythm of things. It's a beautiful. It doesn't need it.
Are you getting in the rhythm of the night?
No, I am not that kind of guy.
Is that your backseat rhythm?
You wow, Bobby.
Ooh,
I
Put those there.
Don't put
Don't put them
You
there.
got that? No, that's amazing. You got that backseat rhythm. Backseat rhythm.
Do we have all the bolts out? Let's see. We got everything out of this row. We got everything out of this row. Isn't that Baboosh?
Is it? That's Chuck's. That's Chuck's like entry music if he was a pro wrestler. Oh God.
I actually went into a gas station.